Alright, PayPal users, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer Bitcoin through PayPal in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and can be done right from your mobile device. Whether you want to send BTC to an external address or another PayPal customer, I've got you covered. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can complete your transactions smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your PayPal app and heading to the Finances tab. This is where you'll manage all your financial activities, including cryptocurrency transactions. Here, you'll see your crypto balance. Tap on it to view more details about your Bitcoin holdings. Now, you'll see an option that says Send. Tap on that to initiate the transfer process. Next, you'll need to select the contact you want to send your Bitcoin to. This could be a friend, family member, or even a business associate. If you're transferring to another PayPal customer, just choose their contact info from your list. This makes the process even more seamless. But what if you want to send Bitcoin to an external address? No problem. PayPal allows you to send Bitcoin to any valid crypto address. Just enter the recipient's external crypto address when prompted. Make sure you have the correct address to avoid any issues. Remember, it's super important to double-check the address before hitting send, because cryptocurrency transactions can't be reversed. A small mistake can lead to a loss of funds. Once you've entered all the necessary information, just confirm the details and hit send. This final step will process your transaction. Your Bitcoin will be on its way in no time. The transaction usually takes a few minutes to complete, depending on network congestion. And that's it. You've just learned how to transfer Bitcoin via PayPal quickly and easily. This method is convenient and secure, making it a great option for crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tutorials and updates on the latest in the world of cryptocurrency.